Don't be afraid of English. My dear friends, today I want to talk about something that stops many people from achieving their dreams: the fear of English. Maybe you understand English, but you are afraid to speak. Maybe you know many words, but you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you think people will laugh at you if you say something wrong. But remember one thing: you do not need perfect English to start speaking English. You only need the courage to begin. English is just a language. It is not something you should be afraid of. You learned your native language by listening, repeating, making mistakes, and practicing. English is no different. When a child learns to speak, nobody expects perfect grammar. The child makes mistakes again and again, but keeps trying. That is exactly how you should learn English. Speak, make mistakes, learn from them, and try again. One of the biggest reasons people cannot speak English is the fear of making mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? But making a mistake does not mean you are stupid. It means you are learning. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You may lose your balance several times, but you don't stop forever. You try again until you learn. English works the same way. You may forget a word, use the wrong grammar, or pronounce something incorrectly. That is okay. Correct yourself and continue. Many people say, I will speak English when my English becomes perfect. But this is a mistake. Your English will not become better if you never practice speaking. You cannot become a confident speaker by waiting. You become confident by taking action. Start with simple sentences such as, I am learning English. I want to improve my English. I practice every day. I can speak English. I am not afraid of mistakes. These sentences may be simple, but simple sentences are the foundation of strong communication. You do not need to study English for 10 hours every day. You can start with just 20 minutes. Spend 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes learning vocabulary, and 5 minutes speaking. The important thing is consistency. One day of practice will not change everything, but daily practice can change your English over time. Remember, small practice every day creates big improvement. One of the easiest ways to practice is to talk to yourself in English. When you wake up, say, I am getting up. When you wash your face, say, I am washing my face. When you drink water, say, I am drinking water. When you go outside, say, I am going outside. You do not need difficult topics. Talk about your daily activities. The more you use English in your everyday life, the more comfortable you will become. Another powerful method is learning 5 words every day. You don't need to memorize 100 words at once. Learn 5 useful words and use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word improve, say, I want to improve my English. If you learn practice, say, I practice English every day. If you learn confidence, say, I want to build my confidence. When you use new words, they become easier to remember. Listening is also very important. Listen to simple English conversations, stories, speeches, or educational videos. At first, you may understand only a little. Don't become frustrated. Listen again and again. Your ears need time to become familiar with English. The more you listen, the more words and sentence patterns you will recognize. Slowly, English will start to sound more natural to you. Reading can also make a huge difference. You don't need to begin with difficult books. Start with simple English stories, short articles, or easy paragraphs. Read a little every day. When you find a new word, learn its meaning and see how it is used in a sentence. Over time, your vocabulary will grow and reading will become easier. Never compare yourself with other people. Maybe your friend speaks English very well. Maybe someone around you is already fluent. That doesn't mean you are behind forever. Everyone has a different journey. Your real competition is with yourself. If you can speak 5 sentences today, try to speak 6 tomorrow. If you learn 5 words today, learn 5 more tomorrow. Your goal is not to become better than everyone else. Your goal is to become better than you were yesterday. Many people believe confidence comes before practice. But the truth is that confidence comes from practice. You speak, you make mistakes, you learn, and you improve. Then your confidence grows. So don't wait until you feel confident. Start while you are nervous. Start while your English is imperfect. Start while you are still learning. Confidence will come along the way. English can also open many doors. It can help you with education, communication, jobs, online learning, and accessing information from around the world. It can help you communicate with people from different countries. So don't think of English as a burden. Think of it as a useful skill, a tool that can help you connect with the world. Give yourself a 30-day challenge. For the next 30 days, practice English every day. You don't need hours. Give it 20 minutes. Listen for 5 minutes, read for 5 minutes, learn some new words, and speak for 5 minutes. Don't expect perfection after 30 days. Look for improvement. Maybe you will understand more. Maybe you will remember more words. Maybe you will feel less nervous. That is success. Some people may laugh when you speak English. Some may criticize your pronunciation or grammar. Listen to useful corrections, but don't allow unnecessary negativity to stop you. Remember, the people who laugh at your beginning are not responsible for your future. You are responsible for your own growth. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. Your first goal should not be perfect English. Your first goal should be communication. Speak clearly. Use simple words. Express your ideas. Understand other people. Improve gradually. You don't need complicated vocabulary to communicate. Simple English spoken with confidence is often more useful than complicated English spoken with fear. From today, change the way you talk to yourself. Don't say, "I can't speak English." Say, "I am learning to speak English." Don't say, "My English is terrible." Say, "My English is improving every day." Don't say, "I am afraid of making mistakes." Say, "Mistakes help me learn." Don't say, "I am not good at English." Say, "I am getting better with practice." Your mindset influences your actions, and your actions create your results. My dear friends, English is not your enemy. Fear is the enemy. Lack of practice is the enemy. Giving up is the enemy. So don't be afraid of English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't be afraid of speaking slowly. Don't be afraid of starting with simple sentences. Start where you are. Use what you know. Learn what you don't know. Practice every day and improve step by step.